Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the VEVOR electric cable stripping tool, a device built to strip wires efficiently and save time compared to manual methods. We've been testing it on different cables, and here's what we discovered. This tool is designed for DIYers and professionals working with scrap wires or wiring projects. It works well for small to medium cables, clean at stripping insulations and saving effort compared to hand tools. We found it especially useful when working on multiple wires in a row, where it really cut down the workload. The pros are that it's compact, affordable, and effective for most household and light workshop jobs. The cons are that it feels a bit underpowered for very thick industrial cables. It requires patience to adjust properly, and it doesn't always give a perfectly clean cut on tougher materials. Overall, the VEVOR electric cable stripping tool is great for everyday use and smaller projects, but if you're expecting heavy-duty industrial strength, you may find its power limited. This has been how to literally do everything smart and simple and scam-free.